Sir, tell us, since this is the second branch ng card, saan po yung first branch natin?
Ang first branch natin ay sa Cotabato City.
Okay. This is Islamic Bank. Anong pagkakaiba po, sir, nito sa conventional?
Of course, kung Islamic branch, ano siya, Sharia compliant. So, sinisigurado namin na hindi ito riba, sinisigurado namin na ito halal. Kaya all the systems, procedures, regulation conform with the Islamic banking regulation. And to make sure na talagang kami ay compliant, we have an advisory group. Yung advisory group namin, meron kaming tatlong expert. Si Dean Lidasa, who is a dean ng UP. And then we have Dr. Jawad, who is also from this university. And si Ibu Rini from Indonesia, who is a commissioner on the Islamic Banking Commission in Jakarta. And may consultant din kami, formerly si Dr. Anwar was also in our advisory. Pero ngayon kasama siya namin as our consultant. So every product, every system, every kind of policy bago namin i-launch, it has to be approved by our advisory council.
Sir, ano po yung mga products or services available sa Islamic Bank branch natin dito sa Marawi?
Of course, we have the Musharaka, Murabaha, at saka yung Ijara. At ito ay mga practices or mga financial products na pagka meron kang gusto i-implement, basta walang interest at sumusunod kami sa Islamic banking. We even have wadiya, yung mga deposit.
Nice. So, ito sir ba ay available din po ba yung cards natin na pwedeng mag-withdraw anytime sa may ATM?
Of course. Yung ATM actually, isinimula namin yan sa Cotabato City, yung first branch. It took us time na i-ano yung ATM machine kasi we have to make sure yung mga language and terminology conforms with the Sharia Islamic banking. Kaya talagang nagpaturo pa kami dyan. Pumunta kami sa Indonesia, chinek namin yung kailangan mga words and terminology. Kaya yon medyo na-launch after buksan namin, after a few months, saka namin nalagay yung ATM. Pero ngayon, dahil approved na yon, nung binuksan namin itong Marawi City branch, meron na kaagad, may ATM na.
Sir, can you please invite our kababayan ng mga Maranaos in Marawi to open their accounts and trust the card?
I invite our Muslim communities, our brothers and sisters, to come and see what we're doing, encourage you to do we provide these financial products and financial system which is conforming to Islamic banking and Sharia principles. So ito po naman why Marawi? Kasi Marawi is the Islamic city here, no? So sabi namin magandang ilagay dito. And we're also very thankful because the BARM official is very supportive, lalo na yung BBOI. Sila Chairman Pasigan, they're really facilitating. And also the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is very, very supportive. In fact, when we had this opening, no less than the Assistant Governor, si Assistant Governor Arifa, Tony Arifa was here to grace the occasion. And Chairman Pasigan of BBOI is here. So, talagang natutuwa kami sa support. And we're also very happy with the support of the LGU here in Marawi. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Okay,